Probably not. I am a fan of just about anything zombie related, like Walking Dead or Dawn of the Dead, 28 Weeks Later, and I've also read a few books about the topic of zombies. One in particular was a novel by Stephen King called Cujo, which was about a dog that got rabies and went crazy, killing everything it came into contact with. And in real life, I don't know if you guys can remember in 2012 in Miami, the bath salts incident, which was a homeless man eating the face of another man. Pretty scary, but it was real. So recently, I watched a TED Talk for this class about, by a speaker named Ed Young, who is a scientific journalist. And his topic was about parasites in insects. And he covered that these parasites have the ability to infiltrate their host's brain and cause them to do erratic things, like even commit suicide, so that the parasite could live on. By walking directly into the larger insect's nest and making the host's dinner. So in one particular case, the speaker discussed a caterpillar that had been injected with the larva of a wasp. Now, because of this, the caterpillar died after laying the wasp's eggs on a leaf. And in the presentation, the caterpillar was shown poised on a leaf protecting the eggs from any type of attack from insects. If any insect came close, the corpse of the caterpillar became wild and thrashed violently to ward off any curious insects. So this caterpillar was dead, and it was protecting the offspring of the insect that killed it. I thought that was pretty interesting. Now, if you can imagine that there is a way to manipulate the human brain and control the way we think. After all, the CDC warns that millions of Americans develop parasitic infections, and symptoms often go unnoticed or misdiagnosed. These microscopic creatures are usually picked up by the food we eat or water. Now, could you imagine if there was a way that the government can control these parasites? Who would be the wasp and who would be the caterpillar? That's good.
Okay. What's the time?
2:30.
Okay.